Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the rate 777. So friends, today in this video I am talking you can get 200 to $300 per day just doing typing or proofreading or editing. mm, but which type of the job are available? You can edit the articles, or you can type, or you can proofreading means you can find the error, where is the error is occurred, what is the sentence mistake, grammatical problem. There are so many problem are available in this article. First you need to find those problem or mistake, and you can change them, and mistake, and give the correct, make the correct sentence, and you can make for this. But you don't any knowledge, any experience, any skill. So friends, let's see. So today I'm talking in this video that a website that give a lot of opportunities and from work from home opportunities. So friend, the site is known as the hiresign.com. hiresign.com, it is one of the best reputed company that can provide online work from home opportunities. You can see here, you can register from the hiresign absolutely free and timely payment. They can provide a timely payment if you want, want to payment on weekly or monthly or daily. You can given the payment in this timely, and you can work, or you can give the support from this site 24 into 7, or you doing their job 24 hours. You face any problem, any difficulties, you can connect with this team, higher sign team, and you can mail them what is your problem, and they can provide the solution. And also get global exposures, means you can get the global job opportunities. Or you can doing a job in US but from your home, and you can get paid from US directly your bank account. So friends, let's see which type of job available in this ads. And you can see here, at the bottom of this side we can see typing job, just doing typing, and you can earn $4 to $6 per page. You can see here max minimum 2000 word are required for this typing. If you type one or two page, you can earn $6 per page. Online offline typing and assignment which you can execute in the MS Word, any equivalent softwares, or you need to properly Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, then you can typing this job. This is an absolutely money income opportunity. You can see, just one page you can earn $6. You can daily type. If you daily type, I think you can daily type 50 page, you can make $300 per day just typing up job. This is an absolutely opportunity, and they can provide timely payment. It is not a scam or not a fake website. It is one of the reputed branded company. You can see here typing job available. You can see here proofreading job. Proofreading, I can tell you, proofreading is a they can given an article or given an literature, or you just find out what is the error or occurs in this literature or article, and then you can correct them, and you can make money. You can see here edited MS Word file and checking the spelling. You need to correct your spelling mistake or grammatical error. You just correct them, and you can make $10 per page. If in article is 100 pages, or uh, any article or any literature, this is 100 pages, and you can correct them. Per page is 5 to $10. You make the $10, $10 per 100 pages. You can make $1000 per doing proofreading or editing, or just checking spelling or grammatical error. This is an absolutely money income opportunity. If you survey complete their job, you can make $50, $5 to $50 per survey. So friends, this is an absolutely opportunity provided by the higher sign website. So friend, most of the money given by the paid survey, so we need to focus on paid survey job. You can see here, input your opinion and various product and services that you used and earn money online. They give their service and product, you just complete and get paid $55 to $50 per survey. You can see here there are also job available. Graphic designing job, you can earn 15 to $40 per assignment. PowerPoint presentation job, most of the people doing complete their computer courses but not get paid from any company, and they have no services. You can come here and do the PowerPoint presentation job and you can make $3 per PPT. So this is absolutely a money income opportunity, money income job. So friend, and the spreadsheet entry job available. You can see a voice recording job. You can voice recordings means you given a video or any article, you just read loudly and send them via email and you can make money. An online advertisement and language translation job. If you good in English, if you know any other foreign language, you can change English to, I think you can change, you also know Spanish or French, you change English to French and you can make $30 per page, because so many jobs are provided this company. So friends, how we apply? If we see here, typing job, if we click here online and offline typing, we can see which type of the job are available. You can see here at this bottom. First friend, there is no we found there is no job, because we need to first sign up or log in, then you can get these job opportunities and getting job provided. But we need to sign up. If you are new in this site, you need to sign up and then you become a member of the higher sign and then take job from this site and make money to this site. So from this is an easiest money income opportunity that's provided the highersign.com. You come and take benefit from this site. So friends, if you click here, how it is, you can select apply or earn money or receive money. How you can earn or receive money from this site? There is the multiple method for instant payment. You can see here, direct bank transfer. If you earn money from this site, direct transfer available. You can put your bank account number and IFC code, they can provide your daily payment. Also PayPal account, and you have a PayPal account, you can also give their PayPal account and they can payment. Gives shop online and gift voucher. There are the four types of payment method are available, but the most of the people are bank transfer prefer and also PayPal cash out payment. So friends, this is an a legitimate website. They can, they don't teach with other, they don't give the false to others. They can provide a best method and best services. As students comes to this site and make money through this site as soon as possible. First friend, you come to this, you need to do the register here and take your job and make money to this site. So friends, if you want to earn more money in online opportunity, you can see here, I can provide a daily video that you can, if you watch this video, you can get an idea which type of the job are surrounding located in online opportunity. So friends, thank you in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel because I provide a daily one money income opportunity. So kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, thank you. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the rate 7. So friends, today I'm talking in this video that you can earn $200 to $300 per day just doing typing, proofreading, and completing survey, or you have been good in Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft, that you can earn $200 to $300 per day. So friends, let's see, the site is known as the highersign.com. You to become a member of the highersite.com, first you need to register here. This is a complete free registration, and you can see here free registration, and they can provide a lot of online and work from home opportunities, and they can provide timely payment, and you can see here 24 into 7 online support. If you face any problem, any difficulties during completing your survey, during doing your job, you can connect them and mail them what is the problem. They can deliver your solution and get global exposure, means you can doing job from anywhere in the world, or any type of the work that was given by you. So friends, HireSign is one of the reputed and branded website. They can provide lot of opportunities, and they can provide lot of service to people, and lot of the people are working in this HireSign website. Because the HireSign, in a lot of companies, they can provide their services in the highersign.com, and highersign provide the people will, and people comes into the site and make and choose their job and makes money from the inside. So friend, which type of the job are available, I can see here. So you can slightly bottom of this age, you can see here typing job. You just need to the type a word, and you can get paid. The minimum what you will require to type is 2000, and you can get paid $4 to the $6 per page. There, which type of the online offline typing assignment given you in Microsoft Word, and equivalent softwares are given by you. You need to type. You just type, and you can get paid $6, $4 to $6 per page. If you type if 100 pages, you can make $6, or you can make $600 from pages. Or if you type 50 pages, or you can make $6, $300 per day, just typing this type of the job. If you can see, his proofreading job, you can make $5 to the $10 per page. $5 per 10 per page. You just require knowledge in the grammatical or any sentence. You just need to find out any spelling mistake or error in given by article, literature, or any document format was given by you in Microsoft Word. You just need to edit the Microsoft Word and checking the spelling mistake and grammatical error. You can get paid $5 per 10 pages. So you can paid service. Paid service, they can provide a lot of paid service and feedback and different company. You can give the feedback of this company. You can make 500 to the 50 per survey. If you see here the graphic designing job, $50 for 40 per assignment. You can PowerPoint job, if you good in PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Microsoft PowerPoint also given, and $3 per PPT slide. And spreadsheet NT jobs, you can see here voice recording job. You need to record your voice with your mobile phone, and you can send them and make money. $50 per 40 per assignment. You can online advertisement and language translation job. If you have a knowledge, or if you know any another language, you can make money from this side. Translation various document, you need to translate given by the document or format, and one language to the another language. If you know French or Spanish or Hindi, you can translate them from English to Hindi or Spanish, French, and you can make money. Just see it, $10 to $30 per page. You can see here, but we need to check the payment method. If you need the payment method, you can see the multiple payment method are available. For the instant payment, they can provide an instant payment and also receive the earning instantly. You can see here there which type of the payment method are available. You can directly bank transfer, just need to the bank account and IFC code, and also PayPal cash account. You need to the PayPal account, and the shop online. If you want to give voucher, There are the four type of payment method available in this site. You need to choose and make money from this site. If we come to the freelancing receive project, freelancer download a project, you can see here client deposit money to hire site. There are the various money from the hire site get paid. So friends, we need to job, but how to apply this job? First, if we click here the survey job, which type of the survey are provided available. First, to become a survey panelist, companies are paying for your opinion and feedback. Company provide their feedbacks, and you can give to opinion and feedback there, and various type of the company provide you services and give them opinion and feedback, and you can make money. You can see here introduction, which type of the feedback, which type of the survey job are available. You can see here role of hire sign, what is the role of hire sign we're doing company, and what is the panel pool, all are details given in this site. If you technical require, if you become to a panelist member, you have just required this eligibility, attitude and proactive outlook, minimum 16-year-old, good internet connection and typing skill and computer user softwares. If you come here, you can see should be taking survey as soon as they arrive in box. When you provide any survey in your inbox and mail, you can take survey as soon as possible. You can be anywhere, but you can soon give feedback this company as soon as possible. Read question carefully, honest answer, complete profile, and for the paying survey. And you can see here excellent payout. You can earn $5 to $50 per survey, and flexible hour. It is a full-time, it is not a full-time job. You can get work anywhere in the world if you want, and make them product and service are improved by the unique suggestion and feedback. But you need to correct and one of the best improvement and given to the product and service with unique suggestion. You always give to unique suggestion and feedback to this company, and for this you can make money. If you not give this unique and good feedback, they not paid you. So friends, you need to all the eligibility, if you have, you need to apply to become a survey panelist, and then you can take your job. If you want to become a typing job, you just click here and you can get online and offline typing vacancy. All the details are available, and you first need to read the instruction, and then you can apply for this job. First of all, friends, explore now, and you can see here another type of the job, PowerPoint job. You can see here which type of the PowerPoint job are available. And first you need to read this proper instruction if you want to make from this site, then you apply for this site. And give you for $3 all the instruction given by you, and then you apply to become a PowerPoint freelancer. So friends, hires and give an opportunity to make money from this site. If you have no job, and if you have more time, you can go to this hard site job and make money from this site without wasting your time. Thank you friends. Today in this video, that's it. So friends, if you want to earn more money from this site and become a financially free, so you can subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I provide a daily video that you can earn opportunity from online. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.